Hi, welcome to your Norwegian learning journey. Today we're diving into the Norwegian alphabet, including those three mysterious letters you won't find in English: A, and O. Let's get started. Alphabet overview. Norwegian uses the Latin alphabet, just like English, but it has 29 letters, not 26. Let's go through them one by one.
Ändar A, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, GG, HH, IE, JJ, KK, LL, MM.
None, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, I, E, Z, Z, A, O, or A. Special letters.
A. A sounds like the A in cat or bad.
Example: ärlig, A, rle, ärliga, A, är.
Å. Ö is rounded vowel that sounds like the French EU in peur or the German Ö. Example:
Yll, beer.
Å. Å sounds like the Å in law or more. Example: open.
Now repeat after me. Let's practice these special letters and some words that use them.
Ärlig, var, när. Öl, hör, köpa. Å, åpen, gå, så.
Nice work today. You've now learned the Norwegian alphabet and tackled three letters that don't even exist in English. Practice saying the full alphabet aloud, and especially those tricky vowels. In tomorrow's video, we'll start using Norwegian in real life, with greetings and simple phrases. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more daily lessons. And we ses i morgen. See you tomorrow. Bye. Ha det.